Once again, we are live. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel, Facebook page. I don't know where you are watching me from. It's late here in Ghana. We are here in Ghana, and it's late here in Ghana. Call me Kofi, your admin of Leading Forex YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram page. Now, you know why I'm coming your way with midweek signals. Those of you who watched my first video on the weekends, on Saturday, knows why I need to give you midweek signals, because almost all the signals I gave has given us the TP that we want. So there is a need to add more signals since we still have about 3 days or 4 days to go in order to end the week. Today is Monday, the 18th of May, 2020. So Saturday I gave a forecast, and just today alone I gave about 11 signals, and about 10 of them has given us the TP already. So there's a need to add more signals, okay? So please, those of you here with me, if this is your first time, we are doing something new, and I think there will be a need for you to know what we are doing and try us and see. So I am here to give you a forecast for the rest of the week. Some few signals to put it either on your demo or on your real account. Now, because this is for the rest of the week, I want you to reduce your lot sizes, okay? I know we all want money, but please reduce your lot sizes, okay? Now, I'll be doing a review of last week, this weekend signals I gave on Friday when the week ends. So I am not going to do that now. I'm not going to give a review of that now. I am just going straight to business to give you signals for the rest of the week. Okay, now I love to wear this shirt, so whenever you see me putting on this t-shirt, don't get worried. You see the name on it, dollar. And whenever I put on this shirt, all that I'm looking for is dollars, and the forex market is what can give me. So I am here to make some dollars, and I know you are also watching me here because you want to make some dollars from the forex market. So whenever you see me with this t-shirt, you know some dollars are about to flow. All right. Okay, so now I have some signals I want to share with you right away. And then please, like I said, today is Monday, 18th. We still have tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. We have 4 more days to go. So please reduce your lot size, because we are going to put this trades on for the rest of the week. So reduce your lot sizes, okay? So let's see. Now, all the trades I gave in my last Sunday or Saturday forecast were all trend reversal trades. They were all trend reversal trades. Now we are here to take the actual trend trades. We are now going to follow the trend and take some trades along the trend. Okay, so now what are some of the signals that I have for you tonight? Now, the first signal I'll be sharing with you, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 signals for you. That is serious, right? Good. So I have 10 signals for you for the rest of the week. And here they are. I have NZD USD. I have Euro JPY. I have CAD JPY. I have GBP USD. I have GBP JPY. I have GBP Chef. I have NZD CAD. I have NZD Chef. I have NZD JPY. And then I have finally Euro NZD. Here again, when you look through, there are 2 currencies running again through the signals, and it's NZD and GBP. You see them running through the signals that I'm giving. So what is happening? I told you during the weekends that GBP and NZD will be strong, and truly they went very strong and has given us the TP we wanted, straightforward, 80, thereabout. So that is cool. Now, these signals are about them, but with a different trend or with a different direction. Okay, now NZD USD is going to go sell. We are selling it now. That is what we're going to do. NZD USD, we are selling it. And please don't ask me what time should you sell. We are selling it right away. Okay, NZD USD, we are selling it. And we are looking for 100 pips. So if we are looking for pips, your stop loss must be 50 pips. So stop loss 50, your target 100 pips. That is the 1:2 ratio. Don't forget that. Okay, so NZD USD, we are selling it. Okay, and then we have Euro JPY, we are buying it. We are buying Euro JPY. And again, Euro JPY, I'm really looking at, but let's give it, okay, let's go for 100 pips for it. All right, 100 pips for Euro JPY. So your stop loss will be 50 pips. Okay, and then let's look for CAD JPY, and then we buy CAD JPY. So we'll be buying CAD JPY. We are buying it. And also let's give it 100 TP, a TP of 100 pips, a stop loss of 50 pips. And then GBP USD, let's sell GBP USD. Let's sell it. Yes, let's sell GBP USD. And let's look for 150 pips for GBP USD. 150 pips. So if 150 pips is going to be your TP, then your stop loss must be 75 pips. Stop loss 75, your TP 150 pips. Then let's sell GBP Chef. GBP Chef too, we will sell it. Okay, GBP Chef, we are selling it. And so that trade too, let's look for 150 pips. 150 pips for GBP Chef. So GBP Chef 150. So your TP is 150, your stop loss is 75 pips. Okay, and then GBP JP. Okay, so GBP USD 75 stop loss, 150 pips TP. GBP Chef the same. GBP JPY the same. GBP JPY, we are selling it. Sell GBP JPY, a stop loss of 75 pips, a TP of 150 pips. And then NZD card. NZD card, we are selling NZD card. We are selling it. NZD card, we are selling it. And actually, it's one of my favorite pair to trade this for the midweek. Yes, it's actually one of my favorite pairs to trade this midweek. So NZD card, we are selling it. Okay, and also let's look for 100 pips for NZD card. NZD card, 100 pips. So our stop loss will be 50 pips. And then NZD Chef. NZD Chef 2, we are selling NZD Chef. Our TP 100 pips. Our stop loss is going to be 50 pips. And then NZD JPY, we are selling it. We are selling NZD JPY. Our TP is going to be 100 pips. Our stop loss is going to be 50 pips. And then Euro NZD, a very volatile currency. Very, very volatile. Euro NZD, our TP is going to be 200 pips. Yes, our TP is going to be 200 pips. And then our stop loss is going to be 100 pips. Good, because but Euro NZD, you are actually you are buying. Sorry, Euro NZD buy. Euro NZD buy. A stop loss of 100 pips, a TP of 200 pips. NZD JPY, you sell. NZD JPY, you sell. TP of 100 pips, a stop loss of 50 pips. NZD Chef, you are selling it. Sell NZD Chef, a stop loss of 50 pips, a TP of 100 pips. And then NZD card, we are selling it. Sell, a stop loss of 50 pips, a TP of 100 pips. And then GBP Chef, 150 pips TP, 75 pips stop loss. The same as GBP JPY, then GBP USD. That is all for 150 pips each. And then a 75 pips stop loss. And then CAD JPY, 100 pips TP, 50 pips stop loss. Euro JPY, 100 pips TP, 50 pips stop loss. And then NZD USD, 100 pips TP, 50 pip stop loss. So let me quickly run them through again. Finally, NZD USD is a sell. Euro JPY is a buy. CAD JPY is a buy. GBP USD sell. GBP JPY sell. GBP chef sell. NZD card sell. NZD chef sell. NZD JPY sell. And then Euro NZD buy. Now let me say this to end. Most of you don't like to watch this video to the end, and you might not be doing yourself good. So whenever I post a video, try to listen to the whole video to the end. There are some basic instructions you need to follow. It's very important. Okay. Now, those of you who are not on my Telegram page, please join, because that is where we give you updates as to how the trades are doing. So if you are not on the Telegram page and you just watch the video and then you apply, you do not have guidance as to what the trades are doing and what you should do. So please always try and be on the Telegram page. And I'm going to link in the description of this video on YouTube. In the description of this video on YouTube, you go to Leading Forex YouTube. The description of this video, you will see the Telegram page link. So you click on it and then you can come to our Telegram page. We do nothing but free things over there. Everything we do there is free. We are not charging anybody. So please feel free and join so that we can all do this together. Okay. So this is Leading Forex. I'm Kofi. In the course of the week, whatever happens, we'll keep on communicating on the Telegram page. Subscribe to this channel. We have more coming your way. And please, if this video is doing you a lot of good, share it with other people. Tell other people about this channel. Let them also join. After all, it's free. We are not charging you for anything. So please, tell other people to also be part of the family, and let's grow together. Thank you. My name is Kofi, the admin of Leading Forex. I'll see you again at the end of the week for a review of the Saturday trades and then this midweek trades. God be with us. More money in this time of COVID. Please wear your nose mask. If you have nothing to do in town, stay at home and stay blessed. I'll see you again.